Website you should know, Part 1. Today, I want to show you a free website called tinywow.com. If you work with documents, images, or AI tools, this website brings many useful features together in one place. You can merge PDF files, split them, compress them, and convert them into other formats in just a few clicks. You can also turn PDFs into editable Word files without installing extra software. If you need help writing, TinyWow includes AI tools that can write, rewrite, summarize, and improve your text. This can save time when you're working on emails, reports, blog posts, or school assignments. You can remove image backgrounds, resize photos, and convert image formats directly from your browser. No design experience is needed. Just upload your image and let the tool do the work. Most of these tools are available at no cost, making them useful for students, freelancers, creators, and businesses. If you haven't visited tinywow.com before, it's worth exploring the different tools available. That's today's website recommendation. Follow for Part 2.